I got asked this question a little while ago, and the person on Quora wanted to know, why can't I see my connections and my followers on LinkedIn? And I thought, you know what? I'm going to go to my friend Reva's computer, and I'm going to use her account, which is a free account, and I'm going to show you how to see who your connections are, who your followers are, and who you're following. Let's go take a look. So you can go right up here to my network, click on that, and then on my network, click Manage My Network, and look here, Connections, Following, and Followers, as well as groups, events, pages, newsletters, etc. But if I go to Connections, here are the 52 connections that Reva is currently connected to. But if I go back one page, and under Manage My Network, I click on Following and Followers. Here are all the people that Reva is following, roughly 30 people that she's following. And by the way, if she no longer wants to follow somebody, let's say she no longer wants to follow Michael Lee, she hovers over following and clicks on that and then unfollow. And now she's not following that person anymore. Again, hover over Darren, hover over the word following, and click unfollow. And then look up here, followers. You click on followers, and under followers, you can see that these are people who are following her, and you can see that most of these she's also following, but some, at least one right there, she is not following. But she could if she wanted to. And again, from here, she could click follow to follow that person. Click following and unfollow. But the bottom line is, how do you see your connections, who you're following, and who's following you? It's under My Network, under Manage My Network, and there it is right there. On your mobile device, in this case, I'm using an iPhone. Let me show you how to see who your connections, followers, and following are. So if I go down here at the bottom, it's a little bit different under My Network. You can see right there is Manage My Network down in a little bit below the center of the screen. I click on that. I can see my connections, and I can also see people I follow. That's really interesting. These people I follow does not include my connections, where, again, most of my connections I'm also following. If I click on people I follow, these are the people who I am not connected with, but whom I am following. Okay, but look here, it doesn't show people who are following me. You get to that differently. The way you get to that is you go to your profile, view your profile. Now, there it is right there. Because I'm using creator mode, there it is there, 24,005 followers. You click on that, and these are the people who are following me. And by the way, it's in order. The person at the top is the newest person to follow me, and maybe they sent me a LinkedIn invite, which also makes them a follower as well. But it's in order. At the very top, the most recent. At the very bottom, which takes forever to get past 24,000, then I would find out the very first person who ever followed me. That is how you find your followers and who you're following on your mobile device. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.